All right, guys, here just kind of reviewing the Case TR340B we have for sale. Machine's in excellent shape, only 307 hours. We used it actually to build out a new farm, and it's done, and we just don't use it hardly anymore. So the machine's in phenomenal shape, as you can see, operational. Literally looks brand new. Operates absolutely flawlessly. And again, the only reason we're selling it, we just don't use it anymore. It's getting turned on maybe once every 2 weeks now. Love the machine, workhorse, super powerful. But again, just not using it. Somebody's going to get lucky with this machine. It's an absolute beast, absolute workhorse. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks so much.